The importance of digital marketing when selling your home. Did you know that over 95% of buyers start their home search online? That means digital marketing isn't just a nice addition, it's an absolute necessity in today's real estate market. I'm Lori McIntosh with eXp Realty, and I want to share why digital marketing can make all the difference when selling your home. Think about it. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google allow us to showcase homes to thousands of potential buyers, not just locally, but across the country and even internationally. This kind of reach is a game changer. Imagine your home being discovered by someone hundreds of miles away who wouldn't have seen it with traditional marketing alone. But that, but it's not just about getting in front of more people, it's about making a lasting first impression. Buyers often fall in love with homes online before they ever step inside. With professional photos, 3D tours, and engaging videos, we can highlight your home's best features and help it stand out from the competition. And I'd love to do that. The real beauty of digital marketing is the precision. We can target specific buyers, whether their families looking for a great school district, those who want that rural lifestyle like I have, or professionals wanting easy access to the city. And if something isn't quite clicking, you know? So we have real-time analytics that let us adjust strategies quickly to ensure your home stays competitive. Think of digital marketing as the modern day open house. It's where buyers are searching, connecting, and deciding. Even if you're just starting to think about selling, understanding the power of digital marketing will help you make informed decisions. If you have questions about how digital marketing works or want to learn more about how it impacts today's market, I would be happy to help you. I'm Lori McIntosh with eXp, bringing country charm and luxury living to your doorstep.